They're the weathered hornbill. Oh, this is in the water.
See that big ball in his throat?
Those are really cool.
He's gonna jump.
He's thinking about it. George isn't even looking at it. He's over there checking out the dang map. It's right there. Come, George, come right here. Come right here, buddy, and you can see that. Yeah, you think it's a...
Watch it, George. It'll start jumping. Watch, it'll start jumping. They're different species. I can tell that they're different genders because their ball, that
One has a
ball
bigger
right
ball in
there.
his neck.
No, that one's blue and that one's orange. See, look at it.
Okay.
Watch, he'll start jumping again. Jump!
Oh, there you go.
Jumper.
Holy cow!
He wasn't messing around, was he?
I can see him.
Let's see if this one decides to
It's
go.
over there. I didn't see that, but I saw God, look. Look over there. I know. Jump.
Oh,
Jump. Flamingo. Fly.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Fly up there.
That is so funny.
Jumping.
See that one over there?
Go, Trump. Go. It's loose.